Hi everyone, welcome to Document Your December 2025. Can you believe it? We're almost at the end of the year. So just like every year, all of the Document Your December designs are created using the same shared color palette. That means everything coordinates so effortlessly, so you can mix kits, blend elements, and build a collection that fits your personal creative style. This year our theme is peace, love, and joy. And it's just a simple, gentle reminder for us to slow down, notice the moments that matter, and celebrate what feels meaningful to you. And when you're slowing down, why not take the time to document these moments in whatever form feels right for you? Whether your season is quiet, busy, joyful, complicated, or somewhere in between, and somewhere in between is usually where I live, there's a space for your story. So before we dive into the unboxing, I just wanted to show you a quick preview of how the different elements play together. You'll see that there's the consistency in color, the variation in textures and styles, and how easily the pieces can be layered to tell your story. All right, let's go ahead and walk through each designer's contribution so you can see the unique touches that they each brought to this year's Document Your December collection. First up, we have Rachel Jeffries, and we're going to start with her December stories. It definitely shows her signature mixed media look with those painterly textures, the hand-drawn accents, and the soft layered details that are going to add instant depth to your pages. Here's a close-up of those fabulous elements. And here we have her papers that coordinate beautifully with her kit. And here we have her Festive Threads pack, and it's great for adding movement with those messy machine stitching, the ornaments, and the holiday lights that feel beautifully handcrafted. And I think you're going to really love this. It's the Mix and Match Stamp Builder. It gives that customizable date with labels and tiny icons. It's super versatile. And not only do I think that you'll use this all month long, I can see potential for it to be used in other months as well. So don't limit yourself to just December with that one. Next up, we have Little Butterfly Wings with her Dear December Be Kind. This one is super expressive. It has an artsy feel, the layered paint, her collage textures, the handwritten bits, and the whimsical illustrations that bring so much personality to any page. So right now we're looking at her elements. And then if you look, here's her mixed media pages that are always fun to create with. And then you can balance them out with her solid color pack. And if you want to add that extra artsy bit in there, we have her mixed media pack, her artsy mixed media pack. And then here's some journal cards or pocket cards for you to add to any project that you're working on. Next up, we have Just Jamie, and her packs bring us with some different personalities that are fun. First up, we have is Mary Mayhem, and this name could not be more perfect. You definitely get that mix of traditional holiday color with the really fun and slightly chaotic energy in the best way possible. I just love that there's so many playful pieces in here with the bold word art, the pops of red and teal, and those glittery textures, and those little phrases that capture the messy, magical parts of December. Next up, we have our Cozy Chaos Element Pack, and this is the softer side of Jamie's contribution. It has that warm, wintry, and a little more peaceful feel. I love that we have the beautiful poinsettias, the winter florals, the mix of calm blues, pinks, and neutrals. That's still that signature Jamie energy, but this pack definitely leans more into those quiet moments, cozy days, and simple joys. And now let's take a look at the paper pack that we have here from Jamie. I love that it is packed. It has a wonderful balance of bold patterns with quiet neutrals, and quite honestly, a fabulous mix of different patterns, from plaids to polka dots to candy cane stripes, with those soft pastels and warm golds. So it's definitely a pack worth having in your stash as you work on your December projects. In my book, no project is complete without the right amount of snark. And so now we have to stop and take a look at this word art pack, Snarkmas. Just the name alone makes me chuckle every time I read it. And I just can't help that. But if you love a little sarcasm with your cheer, this is definitely the pack that you want to have. Next up, we have Pixel Giraffe Designs, and she brings this beautiful mixed media energy that just blends traditional December themes with gorgeous textures, layers, and just a touch of vintage. Her first mixed media kit that we're going to look at leans definitely into the warm, joyful side of December with those rich reds, the classic poinsettias, and just the layered paint textures. So there's a mix of traditional elements and artsy pieces here, which makes this one really flexible. And then her second kit, we have, it shifts the mood completely, but in the best way possible. It brings in those winter blues, the deeper greens, the softer pinks, and the grungier textures. It feels colder, but not in a bad way. It's quieter, more reflective, and it's perfect for those days that aren't about holidays at all. It's definitely for those perfect winter days. And then we're going to take a look at her stamp packs. So her first one, Christmas Stories. It gives you that bold graphic look with the Santa, the trees, the ornaments, and some clean holiday sentiments. And then the other pack has a totally different feel as well, but this one leans more into the wintry and the playful side. So you get the snowman, the snowman and the little deer, and the little hot cocoa or coffee cups. We also have included here a mixed media pack, and it just includes some unique pieces that add some different depth to any project that you're working on. And then we're going to finish up with her contributions with her two sets, or her two template packs. The first one is a single template that's a really clean layout with lots of photo spots. And then the secondary pack that she has here is just a 4-pack of different templates that coordinate well with the overall theme that we have going on. Next up, we have Lynn Marie with her piece on Earth. This collection has that beautiful vintage inspired theme that Lynn does fantastic with. It has some of that classic Christmas imagery, the botanical elements, the soft textures, and the meaningful word art that feels nostalgic and warm. So first up, what we're looking at right now is her elements. Then we have her fabulous paper pack. These papers are absolutely gorgeous. It's definitely worth having in your stash. And then we have here her journal cards and pocket cards. Just extra little places to document those moments. Here we have her curated clusters. They are absolutely gorgeous, and of course they go right along with her beautiful collection. And then she also included this beautiful Advent devotional project this year, which is perfect if you're looking to document the season with a more reflective or faith-based approach. Then we have Lynn Grivenson with her Noel. I love all the blues that she used here. We're going to start here with her kit. It has these modern graphic elements with the soft painterly textures. It gives the collection a fresh but nostalgic feel, and definitely that wintry vibe. And then here is her paper pack, just so you can see that separate from the kit. And now we shift into the artsy parts, the textures, the stamps, the paints, and all the fun stuff. And then of course, we have to move into the cards. Here's the coordinating journal cards, or the pocket cards that just wrap it all together. Next up, we have Studio Kaleidoscope with her Festivus collection. This style is very bright and modern and playful with some bold illustrations, you know, some fun holiday icons and sparkly textures. So here is a close-up of her elements. And then here is her pattern papers and then her solids, which help us anchor everything. Next up, we have her pack of flares. I love that she also included word art on them. That means you can use them strategically in different ways when you are trying to document your December. And then we move right into her sticker pack, which have all these festive shapes that just coordinate well with the rest of her contribution. And then moving right along, we have Nini Goes Digi. Her style, it's definitely clean, it's modern, it's very intentional. It is really about capturing those December details. So up here we have her we're going to start off with her tidbits, and they are so fun. And then we have her word art, which you have the ability to include photos in there if you want. And then let's take a look at all this fabulous paper that she has. We have her regular standard patterns, and she has alternative patterns. Then there's her packs of solid papers. Not only did she provide us with solid paper, she provided us with a pack of gradient papers. And I personally like using those to blend into different background options. And then last up for her, we have her pack of journaling cards. Next up, we have Joyce Paul with her piece, Love and Joy. Her style has a cozy, handcrafted feel with lots of warm textures, detailed illustrations, and those thoughtful little touch that makes each element special. Here is a close-up of her element pack. And then here we have her fun pattern papers. And this does include solids as well. And this is her pack of mixed media papers, as well as her pack of stickers. I do like using these stickers on hybrid projects. They're fun to use with a cutting machine. Up next, we have her pack of word art, as well as her stamps. And just keep in mind that this word art and stamps are pretty versatile. You can recolor them if you choose. Next up, we have Rachel A. Trog's Fa La 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 Fun collection. And I'm pretty sure I put too many laws in there. Count them and let me know. But I like this because it's so bright and cheerful and just full of that playful holiday energy. First up we have here is her elements. And then we have her pack of papers. And this is her pack of pocket and journal cards, which also include the printables and her digital stamps. And these can also be recolored if you choose.